So hey guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. And in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing of the Narzo 30 Pro from Realme. So let's start this video without wasting any more time. So here is the box of the Realme Narzo 30 Pro. Actually the Narzo 30 Pro. There is a blue box and at the back we get some of the specifications of the phone written. Like this comes with a 5G processor, that is a Dimensity 800U. So opening the box, we get here a pamphlet, a small box within which we get the cover obviously, and the SIM ejector tool and some paperwork. So we don't need to read all this because we know how to use a phone. And here we get a TPU slim case, yeah, of good quality. So yeah, that's a good point for the phone. And here is the phone covered in a film. Actually they kept this to protect the phone from any type of injury while importing them. Here is the phone. Well, it has a frosted finish, but yeah, it has a plastic bag, not a glass bag. Here is the charger. We get a 18 watts charger here, not a 65 watt like the last time. And here is a Type C cable, and at the end we get here the SIM ejector tool. Well, SIM ejector tool is of no use right now, but here is a Type C cable and you get a very good quality Type C cable, and these are the contents of the box, nothing else. Now let's look at the phone. Here the phone, you get a very good IPS display. At the side you get a fingerprint sensor, uh, backed up with the power button. So by the time you unlock the phone, yeah, your phone is booted up. At the side you get a hybrid dual SIM slot, so you are not getting an extra dedicated memory card slot. At the bottom you get headphone jack, primary microphone, the charging slot and the speakers. There are no noise cancellation microphones. And yeah, here you get the back of the smartphone. It is a plastic finish with a frosted like texture. And here is the display of the smartphone. And yeah, I really enjoyed the display of the smartphone. It's really good. Instead of giving a IPS display, they could have given a AMOLED display, but at this price point, the AMOLED display might have been a big issue for them. Then they couldn't have give the 5G processor. So yeah, that's good. While playing PUBG in Dimensity 800U, I didn't face any type of problem. Like there were no lags or frame drops while dropping down to the ground also. But I also have a PUBG gaming channel which I had earlier than opening this, so I'll be giving a link in the description. You can go and check that out for latest gaming videos. I release videos every week, and that's from now. Earlier I could release videos every day. And here you get a 48 megapixel camera sensor at 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel macro sensor here. And that's good that they are not giving a 2 megapixel depth sensor for calling it a 8 the quad camera setup. So here are some photos that I'm sharing with you all, and hope so that you have liked the video. If you have enjoyed the video, please do hit the like button. And that's all for this video. I'll come up with the next video next week, and that's all for this video. I'll meet you in the next video. Goodbye. Thanks for love for watching this video.